Hello, Jase here. One of my students last month made over $1,000, and not from overtime, not from a second job, not from driving Uber. He did it by creating simple AI books. And what's crazy is he's got a full-time job. He's doing this in his spare time. And just a few months back, he was a complete beginner to this. Okay, let me just show you now. Get my blue light glasses on. Yeah, this is Ryan. You see, he made over 341 book sales last month in May. All right, now let's talk money now. 341 books. He's selling them at about $6 profit. Let's just say $5 profit. So that's about, what's that? $1,700. Let's call it $1,600 a month. Now that might not sound like a lot for some people, especially when you see these videos. Everyone's talking about 10 grand here, 5 grand here. But I'm talking about Ryan's a regular guy. He's got a full-time job. What's so awesome about AI books is you produce the book. You produce the book once. That's right. Then it goes onto Amazon. And then it can keep selling over and over and over and over. That's why it's so appealing to people that are busy. And that's why I teach this to busy people. That will just keep coming to him now. He could stop now for like, maybe just give it a break for a month or two. That money keeps coming. And if you're thinking, do I need to write these books? This book here is now, you can create it with Canva and AI. No need to write anything. Ryan didn't write a single word. I haven't wrote a word in years at all. No need to write anything. And what's even crazy is you can do it for free. So you can create passive income for free. And that's the system I teach. I'll leave a link below. Okay, so how crazy is that? It's a wonderful time to be alive, all right? Now, I know you're thinking, what's the catch, all right? It can't be that simple. Can't be that easy, sorry. It is simple. This bit here is simple as pie, if that's the word. Or is it easy as pie? Simple as anything to create the book now, all right? Especially thanks to AI. Just use Gemini, by the way. Because for your AI, use Gemini. You can create the book covers and content all for free now. I don't even pay for anything anymore. Canva Pro, yeah, you can pay for Canva Pro, but you can still do it for free. But anyway, what's the catch? Okay, well, this is the reason most people don't make sales when they do this. Okay, because there's a lot of people doing this. Most people here don't make sales, and the number one reason, actually, let's put that in blue. Number one reason is when people start this, they come on here. You say you've got to create a book that makes them money. The first thing they're thinking of is, that's meant to be a light bulb, is the book. What book shall I create? How do I create this book? Okay, that's wrong. If you want to make money in this, what you want to do instead is think of this thing here. It's a book in disguise as a digital asset. Just think of it as something you're going to create to give you give you return on investment, return on energy, return on time. It's going to, whatever you put into this book, it's going to go to Amazon and give you money back. All right, gives you a return. Think of it like that, because when you start thinking of it like that, like my guys do, you go where the money is. So these guys here, they're kind of thinking of the book and then trying to put it where the money is. What we do is we go where the money is and then try to find a way to put our book where the money is. That's number one. Number two, this one's overlooked by pretty much every single student that I've come across, that I've actually spoken to. They don't have a simple system or simple routine. I think there's a belief that just because you can do this book easy and you can upload it in a day, like you can do that in like 3 to 5 hours, you can have a digital asset upload. They just think that's it. I'm just going to do it once and then maybe I'll make sales, or I'll do it here and there. You know, there's no routine. Think of it as a routine. It's not get rich quick. It's going to take time. Ryan, although he started just a few months ago, started making sales immediately, but he followed my roadmap, so he was able to do that, but still he had a routine. Okay, just think of, this is your time and your energy and your life. You need something that will slot into it nicely. See, what most people tend to do is they get excited by this, like you think that's their motivation and excitement, and within 1, 2, 3 weeks they're just piling in all the work, trying to publish as many books as possible, because they've seen people that make money and they think, I want to make money. And then what happens is, because they don't have the fundamental skills, they don't make money. But now in their mind they've put all this time and energy in and they didn't make money, so they end up quitting. Whereas what you really want to do is just keep simple routine that you could just follow and just keep going. One of those, like, you know, the hare v the tortoise race. Instead of like steamrolling it and going fast at it like a hare, just steady, simple routine that you can keep going over and over and over again. And it's logical. If you keep doing something over and over and you're getting better and better at it, like Ryan says in I think he says it here, I just keep publishing and trying to get better with each book. Literally that. Okay, that only comes when you think of it as routine, something that you can do in your spare time. Remember, it only takes 3 to 5 hours to create one book now with AI. So if you can allocate 3 to 5 hours in a week, you've got one book. And if you keep doing that every single week, within a few weeks you could be making money. Okay. And the last thing is, treat your books as testers. Like, no one's going to know if your book sells until you take that and you deploy it. Deploy that thing into Amazon to see if it will make money. If it doesn't make money, you can always bring it back and tweak some things, all right? And authors and people that are creating books because they want to create books or because they have a really good idea, they have trouble with this, because it's like, once they put all their time and energy into this book, it's very hard for them to even accept that it didn't sell. Very hard for them to bring it back into their workshop and make tweaks to it. Okay, so think of it like that. And this is the reason why. My students are making sales in this market. It's very competitive. Like, it's very hard to do if you don't have like some sort of system. And this is the system that I would highly recommend if you're getting into this, because once you've got a system, you can kind of make money no matter what the market does. Okay, and I'll leave a link to my system below. It's the same system I'm talking about here. Okay, thanks for watching. Give me a little like and subscribe if this was any use to you, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.